how to make TikTok videos load faster on old phone. So for that, the first thing that I recommend you guys do is download TikTok Lite instead of TikTok. If you still want to use TikTok, then what you can do is open your TikTok, and in here simply tap on your profile, tap on the menu bar right here, tap on settings and privacy. Then from here keep on scrolling until you see the option of data saver. Tap on that one and make sure that it is turned on just like this. After doing that, go back and in here tap on the options free up space just like this, and in here make sure to tap on clear cache just like this. Tap on clear one more time, wait for a few minutes, and all of your cache will be cleared on your TikTok. And after doing that, in here also make sure to clear all of the downloads since it makes your phone slow. Tap on clear one more time, and just like this clear all of the cache and downloads. So after doing that, I'm pretty sure that your TikTok will start loading faster, and that's it.